Fly. Hello, hello, hello. It is day 5 of my credit secrets to credit empowerment. And of course, I am Lamiel, the money goddess from Lamiel.com. And today we are talking about whether or not um, when you pay off something that is on your credit report, is it removed? The fact is, it is not. So the fact that you have paid off a debt, right, does not negate the fact that at one time you owed debt and you weren't paying it or you weren't paying it on time. So, people will report that. Now, can that be changed? Can it be removed? Absolutely, it can be. But simply the act of paying off your debt does not remove it from your credit report. So a lot of people think, well, I'm just going to pay it down. I'm going to take the deal, pay pennies on the dollar. Paying pennies on the dollar is smart if you're going to pay it off. But it doesn't, just because you do that, doesn't mean it's going to get removed from your credit report. As a matter of fact, other creditors are going to see that she went delinquent, uh, he took a deal, we lost X number of dollars. So what does that say to other credit reports? Not only does it say, well, they pay late or they don't pay, we lost money even in getting it closed out. So that's not the that's not the move. In fixing your credit, that's not the focus, right? That it should definitely not be the move on how you're fixing your credit. If your credit plan consists of paying everything off, you need to talk to a credit empowerment credit agent because they're going to be able to educate you as well as throughout the rest of this series on what needs to be done, what can be done. But that's not the way to do it, because what you're going to find is that after you've paid off everything, your credit is still shit. And then you're going to be looking like, well, what was the point? You know what I'm saying? And that you're exactly right. There was no point. Now, if you get it removed from your credit report, do you still owe it? Absolutely, you still owe it. But it would be better to be owing, right, and have a debt repayment plan than it is to pay everything, be broke, and have bad credit. The choice is yours. And in this email, there was information on how to contact and talk to a credit specialist, either with my company or one that I have trained myself personally, because you need to get empowered. And that's what this series is about. It's empowering you with some credit secrets so that you can make intelligent decisions about the situation that you're in now and the best way to get out of it and move forward and upward.